Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen T-roc Life 2.0 TDI M6F 116HP 5-door in sleek grey, packed with top-notch features like cruise control, parking assistance, collision avoidance braking, and so much more. This estate Jeep is not only stylish, but also safe and convenient. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to drive away in this amazing car. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information. Experience the power and luxury of the T-roc Life today.